So how is 1/5 of 100 similar to 3/5 of 100? Well, the obvious answer is that they're both fifths. In order to solve 3/5 of 100, first you need to figure out what 1/5 is. So they both are fifths, or 1/5 of 100. Then you have to multiply by 3 for the second one. So in order to get 1/5 of 150, you're simply going to divide 150 divided by 5. So this would be 150 divided by the denominator. 150 divided by 5 is 30. 1/3 of 75, so you go 75 divided by 3. I know that 60 divided by 3 is 20, so it would be 25. 1/8 of 96, you go 96 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8 is 10, so this is going to be 12. 1/5 of 75, this would be 15, because 15 times 5 is 75. 100th of 8,000 is 8,000 divided by 100, or just 800. No, just 80. That gives me 1, 2, 3 zeros. So make sure you don't make the little mistake that I made and add too many zeros. So it's going to be 80. Now, this is an exemplar for the next question. So if you're not sure how to do it, you can kind of refer back to this slide. So you're going to need to take 150 pounds and split it into 5 equal sections. Then you need to take 4 sections. So you're going to have to have 150 divided by 5 is going to be 30 pounds each. Then you take 4/5. So I'm going to go through this question from here. So Stella ordered 150 pounds. So we have 150 pounds. So our total is 150 pounds is the total. Pounds of pasta of her restaurant's opening night. They ended up cooking and selling 4/5 of it. How many pounds of pasta got used? So if you have 4/5, then the bottom number is the number of groups or sections. Number of groups or sections. So we're going to split this tape diagram into 5 equal parts. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be approximately 5 equal parts. In order to find out how big is each section, you're going to go 150 divided by 5 sections is 30. So each section is 30 pounds. Now I need to take 4/5 of them. This is how much I used. How much they used. They didn't use all of it, they used 4/5 of it. So I'm going to change to a highlighter and highlight 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So how do we solve that? You can say 30 times 4 equals 120, or you're adding the 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 is 120. So they used and sold 120 pounds.